How to make CRA account immediately after permanent resident. Now, you should be able to do this or do everything online. First things first is open up any preferred web browser that you want to use, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, for you to be able to get here, on your search box, you simply type in CRA account, hit on enter, and in here you have multiple options. And just simply hit on this option here, which will take you back to the page that was actually shown earlier. Now in here, click on sign in to CRA account, scroll down a bit, and then hit on register for a CRA account. And you'll now then be redirected to registration page for a CRA account, and as well as the steps and options that you can try to look for you to successfully make a CRA account. Now decide if you need to register or gather your documents, choose a sign-in option to register your bid, and so on and so forth. Now in here, all you have to do is hit on already registered, and then in here just simply choose on create another account. And that's basically it. That's how you create or you make CRA account immediately after permanent residence.